MobyMax whiteboard activities allow teachers to present content to the whole class in an interactive, engaging way. Teachers have the option to create a new whiteboard activity using MobyMax curriculum or search for a lesson created by another educator in the MobyMax community. Teachers can access whiteboard activities from within a subject by selecting the Assign tab. Next, select the Show Whiteboard Lesson in the Whole Class section in the menu on the left side of the screen. Once you are on the Whiteboard Activities page, you can create a new lesson by clicking Create New Lesson in the upper left, then selecting Create a New Lesson and clicking Next. Now select the subject and grade level and name your lesson to keep your whiteboard activities organized. Check the box if you want your lesson to be available for other MobyMax teachers to use. To add content to your lesson, click Add New Problem. You have the option of using content from Moby's curriculum or creating your own problems. If you choose to add problems from Moby's curriculum, select a subject and grade level and whether to display skills by lesson or standard. Click on the blue topics to see available skills or enter a keyword or phrase in the search box. Scroll through the available problems and click Add to add problems to your whiteboard lesson. Finally, click Save. You can preview the whiteboard lesson by clicking Show Class Viewer in the lower left. Drag individual problems to rearrange them, click the trash can icon to delete a problem, and click Add New Problem to add to your lesson. When you are finished, click Save. To edit a whiteboard lesson, click on the pencil icon, then the Problems tab. If you choose to create your own problems, you can create multiple choice or fill in the blank problems. You will need to enter the question, the answer choices, and select which answer choice is correct. Teachers can also use a whiteboard activity that was created by another teacher. From the Whiteboard Activities page, click Create New Lesson in the upper left and select the Create New Lesson from a pre-existing lesson option and click Next. You can view lessons created by teachers in your school, your district, your state, or the entire Moby community. Search through the pre-existing lessons by selecting a subject or grade level or entering a keyword. When you found a lesson you would like to use, click Clone to copy the lesson. Here you can add and delete problems. Finally, click Save to add the lesson to your whiteboard activities list. To begin a whiteboard activity with your class, simply click on the lesson name. Your lesson will open and you can work through the content you've selected with your students. Note that whiteboard activities are only meant to be used as a whole class instructional tool, so students can access this module in their student accounts.